In this video, we will show you how to replace your EGR valve. On this Honda Civic, this will be located mounted to the driver's side front of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. First, you want to locate your EGR valve, which is located on the driver's side of your engine, right along the front, out in the open. You'll find that you have one wiring harness that leads to it. For this, we will squeeze on the top center tab, give this a little tug, and pop it right off of there. Give it a quick check for corrosion. Assuming it looks good, we can set that wiring harness aside. Now, if you were to look at the base of the EGR valve, you'll find that you have two 12mm headed nuts holding this in place. Let's remove the pair. Now we can remove the EGR valve. Once you have the valve removed, the next thing you want to do is pay attention to the base area. What we're looking for is existing gasket. Sometimes it'll be stuck in place to the EGR valve, other times it'll be directly on this area. Make sure you remove it. We'll set that aside. With all that out of the way, we'll be paying attention to the base where that brand new EGR valve and gasket will sit. Remove any of the existing debris from this area, making sure that as you scrape away from each one of the ports. All right, let's get ready for the installation of our EGR valve. We'll start with the gasket. Align it with the studs and the holes. Once you're sure everything's aligned properly, we'll continue on with that EGR valve. With that rested in place, start on each of your two mounting nuts and snug them up. Now that we have each of those snug, let's torque these to 16 foot-pounds. We'll continue on with our wire connector. Listen for a click, give it a tug to make sure it's secure. At this point, you can make your way into the passenger compartment, start up the vehicle, make sure you don't have a check engine light, and then take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.